The snow stopped earlier this afternoon.
Yeah.
We're still dealing with the wind, but we have another round of snow coming, Ben.
Oh, okay. So, Jason, more fun is on its way.
If you want to call it that.
No.
It was interesting. I mean, the first blizzard of the season so far, and I would say it did not disappoint with what it put out. You can still see snow in Algona, just a little bit of light snow in Marshalltown. Other portions of the state like Lamoni, flags still flapping pretty hard out there as we've got, again, winds that have been very strong. Cloud line continues to recede eastward, though, and before you know it, we're going to be sneaking in a little bit of sunshine before that sun sets for central portions of the state. Temperature-wise, it's chilly, though. 28 for the metro, 27 for Ames, 32 up in Spencer. So we're still sub-freezing, and those winds don't exactly feel great. Gusting to 40 miles per hour right now. Those will drastically die down as we head through midnight. We'll have gusts in the teens, and then throughout the day tomorrow, well, welcome relief from the wind. And winds do switch to out of the south. That's going to eventually help to bolster that temperature up. But as another system approaches into the day on Friday, those winds crank back up. Could see some gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour, which could in spots lead to a little bit of light blowing snow, which we'll take a look at in a second. High wind warnings continue through 6 p.m. Those are highlighted in orange. Otherwise, wind advisories in the light tan color. Again, those winds still producing gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour. So cloud line recedes, and we catch clear skies tonight, but we'll get more clouds building into the day on Thursday. That's going to be ahead of that next system that could spit out a little bit of rain early and then eventually transition to snow as we head into the day on Friday. And you can see this band of snow continues for areas like Carroll, Ames, eastward towards Cedar Rapids or so before finally dwindling and heading its way to the southeast. So much of the day on Friday, there's going to be a band of snow kind of traversing across the state that will have the potential to put down a few inches in spots, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some higher totals upwards of around 4 to 6 inches. Those will be a little patchier, but they'll definitely have the potential to put that out. You can see north of I-80 here out near Carroll, otherwise Metro looking at around an inch or two. But remember, most of our car crashes happen when we get 2 inches or less of snow. So just because it's not going to be a huge snowfall for most of us doesn't mean that you shouldn't still take caution. Wind chills into tomorrow morning. We've got single digits to the north, otherwise teens for central and southern portions of the state. So make sure that you bundle up as you head on out. But we are warming up. 43 for your Thursday. That chance of snow on Friday. We are weather impact for that because of the potential, again, for coated road surfaces out there. But looking ahead towards the weekend, lose that hour of sleep. But man, do we gain some warmth. We're back to 51 on Sunday, and it is going to feel like full-fledged spring next week as we climb back close to 70 by Tuesday.